Hi, everybody. Welcome to Tech Trade Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about vertical alignment. In the last video, we talked about text color, text alignment, and the rest. So we're going to further more in this aspect, which is vertical alignment. So it says the vertical align property sets the vertical alignment of an element. This property can have one of the following values. We have baseline, that is default value. This element is aligned with the baseline of the parent. We have length, raises or lower an element by the specified length or percent. Sub, this element is aligned with the subscript baseline of the parent. We have super, this element is aligned with the superscript baseline of the parent. Then we have top, the element is aligned with the top of the tallest element of the line. Then we have text top, the element is aligned with the top of the parent element font. Then we have middle, the element is placed in the middle of the parent element. Bottom, the element is aligned with the lowest element on the line. Then we have text bottom, the element is aligned with the bottom of the parent font. So we have an example, set the vertical alignment of an image in this text. So we have an image, then it will be beside it and it will be vertically aligned. So let's create our example. So I think we have one image here, which is step.jpg. We'll come here and we'll create a new example, which will be, we'll create H2, which will say the vertical align property. Then after that, we'll come here and we'll create a p tag. We'll say align the img image to the baseline. And inside it, I hope you know that you can include image imgslc. Yes, and it's gonna be like this. So this image, we're going to say ./step.jpg. And we're also going to give it a class name. And we're also going to give this image a class name, which will be class align. Or we can just say class A, class B, class C. So let's come here. Let's type class A dot A, which will be vertical align baseline. I hope you understand. Now let's duplicate it for others, sub, bottom, the rest of them. Shift S. We are doing for baseline. This is for a baseline. Then we'll do this one for, it has even done that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now let's proceed. Let's come here. Then we'll create different ones for Shift F. I don't know how many I created. So A, B, C, D. Yes. Did we create top? Let me see. Did we create top? F. Okay. So we created it to F. So I want you to see the difference. We have vertical align baseline, vertical align top, vertical align middle, then vertical align bottom. So let's go. Let's see our example. So as you can see, let me do the size. Okay, so let me do the size instead of, I'll give all of them same sizes so you can see the difference. So I'll give it width, which is equals to, let me just give it 9. Height as well, which is equals to 9. Let's see how it will go. Yes, so it is small now. So if you can see it very well, if we should zoom in, you can see, align the image baseline, align the image to the top, it is at the top. Align the image to the middle, this is at the middle. Align the image to the bottom, this is at the bottom. Align the image to the text bottom, so it's at the text bottom. Then the next one is align the image to text top, which is at the text top. I hope you understand. There are different ways you can use image as well. So the next one we have is text direction. That is the direction property specify the text direction / writing direction within a block level element. We have a tip. Use the property together with the Unicode BD property to set or return whether the text should be overridden to support multiple languages in the same one. So this direction, it changed a text to left to the right. Let's try one of our example that we have a p tag that we styled. We'll just say direction RTL. So let's work on this. Welcome to this theory. Let's try color 1 and we'll say, no, let's do this one. Let's come here and say, so we can say direction, which is right to the left. That's what this one means. Now let's check it out. Can you see it has changed from the right to the left? That's how text direction works. And you can also use, let's work on this which says Unicode. Let's work on this which says Unicode BD, that is BD override. Let's come here. So when we say Unicode BD, yes, say BD override. Can you see? It's override it, and it's changed the direction. Welcome to color theory. That is what it just did. I hope you understand this aspect. So let's move to the next one, which is text decoration. The CSS text decoration property is used to control the appearance of decorative line on text. It is a shorthand property for following individual properties. We have text decoration line, we have text decoration color, we have text decoration style, and we have text decoration thickness. Add a decoration line to text. The CSS decoration line property says the type of decoration line added to the text. This property can have one or more of the following. We have underline, overline, and line through. Those are different types of text decoration line. And we have a tip. You can combine multiple values like overline and underline to display lines both over and under a text. Set different types of decoration lines. So note, it is not recommended to underline text that is not a link, as this often confuses readers. So let's come here. We'll just work with other examples that we have. Let's remove this override BD. So one of these will say, let's give it text decoration underline, and you will see how it works. Can you see that it has a line under? We can as well say text decoration line through. It's like you are canceling something. So we have specified a color for the text decoration line. The CSS text decoration property is used to set the color of a decoration. We have H1, then we can give it text decoration color instead. So let's come here and give it text decoration color. Let's give it red. Can you see our text decoration has changed? Then we can as well say text decoration style double. We've done all of this before. Can you see the text decoration have changed? You can see how it is giving our double value. Then our text decoration line, which is thickness, you can how you want the width to be. Can you see it became more thicker? So that is how text decoration works. It is easy. So you have different style. We have the solid, dotted, double, dashed. You should know this one in types of border and margin that we've done in previous videos. So we'll not waste our time. Let's proceed. We have specified the thickness of a decoration line. The CSS decoration thickness property is used to set the thickness of a decoration. I just did that in this previous example we just did. It's optional. You can work around it. And then in this aspect, we have shorthand property. Everything is required. The text line is required. You can include the text color, which is optional, and you can choose not to include it. So instead of going through all these stress of writing everything, we can go with this text decoration underline red double 5 pixel. Let's go with it. We can remove all of this and we can say text decoration. We'll say underline double red and 2px. As you can see, it still works because I didn't give it top and bottom again. That is why it didn't go like that. I hope you understand everything that I've taught you so far in this place. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well follow us across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.